Ever wondered how to master Spanish in a way that's both fun and effective? Well, pull up a chair because today I'm sharing the 10 Spanish tips that transform my life. Starting off at number 1, consistency is key. It's about carving out a little time each day to practice. It doesn't have to be hours on end, just a few dedicated minutes can lead to remarkable progress. Moving on to tip number 2, embrace technology. There are countless language learning apps out there that make the process both fun and convenient. They're right there in your pocket, ready when you are. Tip number 3 is all about immersion. Surround yourself with Spanish media, music, shows, podcasts, you name it. This not only improves your listening skills, but also helps you get a feel for the rhythm and flow of the language. Coming in at number 4, keep a journal. Writing in Spanish helps reinforce both vocabulary and grammar. It's a great way to practice constructing sentences and expressing thoughts. Here's tip number 5, speak from day one. Don't be afraid to practice speaking Spanish, even if it's just basic greetings or simple sentences. Native speakers are usually more than willing to help and appreciate the effort. Tip number 6, visualize vocabulary. Try connecting new words with images. This association will help you retain new vocabulary much more effectively. At number 7, we have master grammar. Understanding the structure of the language opens up endless possibilities. It's like having a roadmap to express any idea you want. Tip number 8, celebrate milestones. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Each little achievement is a reason to celebrate and motivates you to keep going. Tip number 9 is a fun one. Travel and immerse. If you have the chance, visit a Spanish-speaking country. Speaking with locals is an amazing way to accelerate your language skills. And finally, tip number 10, believe in yourself. Learning a new language is challenging, but with determination and passion, you can achieve anything. These 10 tips completely revolutionized my language learning journey. They made the process enjoyable and effective, and I'm certain they can do the same for you. So go ahead, step out of your comfort zone, and dive into the beautiful world of Spanish. Buena suerte.